Very good afternoon, students. L.K. Tripathi here from LPM Public School. Dear children, we have been discussing about History chapter 3, that is the rise of Hitler. Dear students, in this last video, I think this will be your last video of the chapter. This chapter will be over after that. We shall discuss about ordinary people and the crimes against humanity. What was the crime against humanity? As you have studied many times about the Nazis' ideology, what type of ideas and practices they initiated in Germany. This is known absolute against the humanity. How did the common people react to Nazis? Many saw the world through Nazi eyes and spoke their mind in Nazi language. They felt hatred and anger surge inside them when they saw someone who looked like a Jew. Means जो लोग भी यहाँ पर थे वो नाजियों की आँख से इनको, जो ज्यूस थे, इनको देखते थे और नाजी लैंग्वेज को ही बोलते थे। नाजी जो एक्चुअल जर्मन्स थे उनके दिमाग में ये बात बिल्कुल तरह से फिट कर दिए थे कि ज्यूज यहाँ के लिए जो है सबसे डेंजरस हैं। और जो लोग ज्यूज की तरह से देखते थे, दे एक्सप्रेस देयर एंगर, देयर मेंटेलिटी suspiciously and treated them badly. They genuinely believed Nazis would bring prosperity and improve general well-being. The German people completely believed on the Nazis that they would bring prosperity in Germany. They will improve their condition, financial, social, all type of condition will be improved through Nazi ideology. इसलिए जो है नाजिस प्रोपगेंडा को भी आपने पढ़ा था पिछले एक्सप्लेनेशन में। प्रोपगेंडा, ये नाजी पार्टी जो थी एक प्रोपगेंडा पार्टी हुआ करती थी। ये प्रोपगेट करती थी हिटलर को। दे वॉकड थ्रू आउट द कंट्री एंड propagated that Hitler is the boon of God, just like prophet, and he has come on earth to change the fate and fortune of all the German people. But the every German was a Nazi. Many organized active resistance to Nazis, braving police repression and death. The large majority of Germans, however, were passive onlookers and apathetic witnesses. They were too scared to act, to differ, to protest. They preferred to look away. Pastor Niemöller, a resistance fighter, observed an absence of protest and uncanny silence amongst ordinary Germans in the face of brutal and organized crimes committed against people in the Nazi Empire. He wrote movingly about this silence. What he wrote, there was a person who saw all such types of things through his eye. He was a resistance fighter of Germany named Poster Niemöller. Sometimes he argued an absence of protest, an uncanny silence. Ordinary people, ordinary Germans, organized with brutal fist crimes committed against the people in the Nazi Empire. सब कुछ वहाँ पर बिल्कुल ही स्केयर था, डरावना था, सब कुछ बिल्कुल हिंसात्मक था। वहाँ की तस्वीर, वहाँ की स्थिति बिल्कुल ही पाशविक थी। क्या लिखता है वो? फर्स्ट दे केम टू द कम्युनिस्ट, बाद में इसको पढ़ा जाएगा, आगे देख लेते हैं। व्हाट ज्यूस फेल्ट इन नाजी जर्मनी इज ए डिफरेंट स्टोरी अलॉन्ग ऑल टुगेदर Carolette Barrett secretly recorded people's dreams in her diary and later published them in highly disconcerting book called The Third Reich of Dreams. She describes how Jews themselves began believing in the Nazi stereotypes about them. राइटर थी, she was a writer. She wrote in her diary, क्या लिखती है कि नाजियों पर कैसे जर्मन बिलीव करते हैं। कि ये कितना स्टीरियोटाइप है। स्टीरियोटाइप मीन्स होता है किसी के प्रति फिक्स इमेज रखना। अगर आप सोचते हैं कि ये दुष्ट ही प्रकृति का है तो दुष्ट ही दिखेगा। अगर आपके मन में है कि आदमी अच्छा है तो आपको अच्छा ही दिखेगा। ये स्टीरियोटाइप है, मतलब फिक्स्ड इमेज अबाउट एनीवन, अबाउट एनी पर्सन। They dreamt of their hooked noses, black hair and eyes, Jewish looks and body movements. The stereotypical images publicized in the Nazi press haunted the Jews. They troubled them even in their dreams. Jews died many deaths even before they reached the gas chamber. मतलब इतने डरे हुए थे ज्यूस कि गैस चैम्बर के पास पहुंचने से पहले ही वो लोग मर जाते थे। गैस चैम्बर इतना खतरनाक था कि उसमें हजारों यहूदियों को हिटलर भुंकवा देता था, डलवा देता था, लोग मर जाते थे। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं नॉलेज अबाउट द होलोकास्ट। होलोकास्ट के बारे में हमको क्या जानकारी मिलती है? इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट नाजी प्रैक्टिसेस हैड ट्रिकल्ड आउट ऑफ जर्मनी ड्यूरिंग द लास्ट ईयर्स ऑफ द regime, but it was only after the war ended and Germany was defeated that the world came to realize the horrors of what had happened. While the Germans were preoccupied with their own plight as they defeated nation emerging out of the rubble. The Jews wanted the world to remember the atrocities and sufferings they had endured during the Nazi killing operations. Hmm? Also called the hmm? also called the Holocaust. At its height, a ghetto inhabitant had said to another that he wanted to outlive the war just for half an hour. Presumably, he meant that he wanted to be able to tell the world about what had happened in Nazi Germany. This indomitable spirit to bear witness and to preserve the documents can be seen in many ghetto and camp. Inhabitants who wrote diaries, kept notebooks, and created archives. On the other hand, when the war seemed lost, the Nazi leadership distributed petrol to its functionaries to destroy all incriminating evidence available in offices. Yet the history and the memory of the Holocaust live on in memoirs, fiction, documentaries, poetry, memorials, and museums in many parts of the world today. These are a tribute to those who resisted it and embarrassing reminder to those who collaborated and a warning to those who was in silence. So this is the story of Nazi ideology and Nazi Germany. We can say the people in Germany, those who were the ordinary people, how did they spend their time in Germany, and the people who belonged from outside the Germany, especially Nazis, Gypsies, they lost their every prestige, their life, their property, their everything. So we can say this period is known as the crime against the humanity. This chapter is going to over now. We shall start new things with new videos next time. Till then, thank you, bye bye. Do your task properly, create more and more questions from the chapter and insert in your copy. Try to learn and remember. Thank you.